Okay, welcome Krishna. I would introduce you to the panelists who will be taking a mock PI today. So we have Abad sir, he's a management expert, currently working as a business head in Pahel Design. He is having overall 12 years of experience into the industry. We have Prashant sir with us. He's a subject matter expert of Pahel Design, taking care of the reasoning and the aptitude portion. He's a master's from in mechanical engineering from VIT Mishra. So I would request Abad Ali sir to please start the interview.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, Krishna, how are you doing today?
Sir, I'm feeling better now. Thank you.
Right? You will be able to speak?
Yes, sir. Yes. I haven't tested positive, negative yet, but the symptoms are better now.
Mm, good. So, Krishna, so as you are here, so we have to conduct this mock, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Definitely.
So, Krishna, can you please let me know why did you choose this fashion industry and what was the reason when did you click the first time when you thought about it?
Sir, I come with a background in retail management. In my bachelor's, I have studied BBA in retail management, and I also possess some industry experience. Like I got an opportunity to intern with fashion brands like Shopperstop, Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail, RBL, Superdry, and Designers Lab. So I studied subjects like merchandising, buying, visual merchandising, branding, marketing, advertisement, and customer relationship management during my bachelor's. And when I went for my industry exposure with fashion brands, I got an interest in fashion retail, and then I started searching for courses that are providing, degree into fashion business.
Mm.
So I found this course called Masters in Fashion Management.
Right. Well, have you heard about tie and dye?
No, sir, I haven't heard about.
So what exactly is if a person is a layman and they wanted to know what exactly is merchandising, how would you explain that?
So merchandising is a process where the merchandiser is responsible to get the clothes that we call in layman language call get the clothes or merchandise from a particular export house, get it manufactured, and decide upon the price points and decide that in which season which merchandise is to be displayed in the stores.
All right. Where this Superdry belongs to? Country.
Sir, it belongs to
Okay. So,
uh,
would you like to name any two brands which is belongs to India originally?
yes, sir, Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Pantaloons
Hmm.
and Global Desi.
Okay. So, any brand from Aditya Birla Group?
Aditya Birla Group is Pantaloons, Louis Philippe, that comes under Madura Fashion.
Right. That's correct. Okay. So next is according to your graduation, what did you learn from this, and how would you like to if you have to work after this graduation? So, what are the key points you'll keep in remember when you're going for a job?
Also, during my graduation, as it was a management course from Symbiosis Pune,
Hmm.
it gave me an opportunity to participate in many activities
Hmm.
such as organizing events, interacting with the industry experts. So we had a curriculum which focused 70% on skill and practical knowledge.
Hmm.
So we had exams and vivas one to one with the industry mentors from the respective fields. So it gave me an exposure to understand and learn that how things are working in the industry, and skills like management skills like leadership, hard working, dedication, and giving my best in whatever I do is what I have learned from my graduation.
All right. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Uh, Hello, Krishna.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. So, what is demand and supply?
So demand and supply in marketing is basically the demand is I would define demand as the number of people that are demanding to purchase a service or a product, and supply is from the industry side, that are we actually able to, uh, are we able to manage with the demand of the audience, is from the
Okay.
industry.
Okay. Can you explain yourself in 4 sentences or introduce yourself in 4 sentences? Not explain. Sorry.
Yes, sir, sure. Sir, I am Krishna Shukla. I have a degree in business administration, specializing in retail management from Symbiosis Pune. I have industry experience in with brands like Shopperstop, Pantaloons, Superdry, and Designers Lab. I am the owner and founder at Nimantran Digital Designs that we started in April 2020. It is a design. It is a collaborative design and brand studio. We provide design and brand guidance to entrepreneurs and homepreneurs who do not have a initial budget of investing so much into expensive design assets. And my aim in life is to become a successful women entrepreneur and employ women, help women grow.
Okay. So for the entrepreneurship, why MFM? If you want to do business only, then why MFM?
Sir, I think that Masters in Fashion Management would serve as a platform for me to gain in-depth knowledge and comprehensive understandings of subjects like branding, marketing, management, merchandising, buying, visual merchandising, that have been already introduced to me in my during my bachelor's, and would further add value to my entrepreneur journey. That is
So
what.
after doing MFM, you will not do the job. You do your own
Sir,
business.
for some time, like 4 to 5 years, I would like to work with the industry experts and gain experience, and then I would think of starting something of my own.
So, but you have already started something, right?
Yes, sir, but something else also, like something into fashion. And the
Okay.
knowledge that I will gain during this course, the management experience that I will get, that also I can apply into the existing business that I run right now.
Okay. So have you felt any effect of COVID-19 in industry and how much, according to you?
Yes, sir, COVID-19 has affected,
Specific in fashion industry. Specific in
yes, sir,
fashion industry.
fashion retail. Like if I start from the manufacturing itself, there are a lot of manufacturing plants who lack in labor, because many of the laborers have gone to their hometowns during this pandemic. The seasons, the collection that brands launch during twice a years have been diluted altogether. They are not able to launch like they used to earlier. Plus many of the stores that did not have a online presence, a e-commerce presence, that they have started bringing their products on websites, applications, and companies like Shopperstop and Pantaloons have also introduced an application that is through WhatsApp. Like we can shop through WhatsApp, that is much easy for the audience.
Okay. So out of these many problems, how you deal any one of the problem, any one problem, and how you deal with that?
Okay. So I feel that I am a person who do not like to shop a lot online, because I feel that retail is a therapy. Like shopping is a therapy for many of us, and nowadays shopping is just not going to the shops and buying. It is altogether an experience and a form of entertainment for many of the people. So I think that. We can brands can introduce something like a coupon or a token system where people can visit, so there is not a lot of gathering in one store, and the personal shopper can assist them, so both the sides are fulfilled.
Okay. Okay. That's it from my side. So
Yes, sir. Thank you so
yes.
much. So we have the quick feedback, Krishna. I guess you have improved a lot from like the way last we had. And I think, sir, you're okay with your content and things which is being asked to you. You're fine with it. Try to work upon a little bit about your graduation, right? and the course you're actually looking for, is that going to help you in future, and what kind of the help it will be going to. Some brands which is belongs to, like as you mentioned, the brands, we should know where exactly it belongs to, right? And Aditya Birla Group is a basically group, it's not a brand. So basically they have these brands, right?
Yes, sir.
That's
Yes.
the company name. So try to have the words into correct manners. That will be helping you into this. Rest of the things are fine with you. You'll be definitely have a good numbers. Try to improve these basic things. You'll be fine.
Okay,
That's all.
sir.
All the best here.
Thank you, sir.
All the best,
All,
Krishna. I hope. Okay.
all the best. All the best.
Sorry, sir. Okay, Krishna, all the best. I hope you work on the feedbacks given by the panelists. Take care
Yes,
and
sure.
yeah, do your best. You can leave the
Thank you.
meeting.